Namaste everyone, welcome back to Current Gyan. So today we are going to discuss about the syllabus of Mechanical Engineering Lok Seva आयोग नेपाल. So यस पाठ्यक्रम योजनामा दुई चरणमा विभाजन गरिएको छ. So first is the प्रथम चरण and second one is the द्वितीय चरण. फर्स्ट चरणमा के भन्छ रिटन एक्जामिनेसन छ जसको पूरा फुल मार्क्स 200 मार्क्स को एक्जामिनेसन हुन्छ. दोस्रो चरणमा ग्रुप टेस्ट र इन्टरभ्यु हुन्छ. सो आज हामी पहिला चरणको पेपर 1 को सिलेबस डिस्कस गर्छौं. सो पहिला चरणमा दुईटा पेपर छ, पेपर 1 पेपर 2. पेपर 1 भनेको जनरल सब्जेक्ट्स को लागि जसको फुल मार्क्स 100 छ अनि पास मार्क्स इज लाइक 40. These are all are MCQ questions, multi choice questions. There will be 50 questions each of 1 marks, and the time will be for the first paper it will be 1 hour 30 minutes, and for second paper for technical subject, so this will be the subjective paper. So we have to write the answer, long answers. There will be 4 questions of 5 marks, and there will be 8 questions of 10 marks. The time of examination will be 3 hours, and in the group 2, so there will be a group test and interview which contains of 40 marks total, and 10 marks for the group test and the 30 marks for the 30 minutes for the 30 minutes, and for interview there is 30 full marks which will be conducted by the board interviewers. So let us jump to the first paper and we'll discuss about the first paper. So in the first paper, part 1 contains of 50 marks, in which we have to mug up the general awareness and general ability test of like 15 marks, 50 marks. So in general awareness and complementary issues, there will be of 25 marks each of 1 marks. These are physicals. So you can go through a book called Nepal Parichai for this syllabus, and almost you can cover from there. And for the international affairs, you can read the newspaper or any other books you can refer. So there you can read the syllabus. So there are at least 16 topics, major topics, which you can go through for the general awareness and complementary issue, that is come of and second is the general ability test. So this is very general, which will cover which are in every exam, common in every exam. So the verbal ability test of 8 marks, and numerical ability for 9 marks, and non-verbal abstract ability test of 8 marks, total 25 marks. So the part 1 contains 25 plus 25, that is total 50 marks. So you can go through that. So these are the main general technical subject of 15 marks. So total it will, this paper will be of 100 marks, 50 for general awareness, and for general technical subject 50 marks. So let us discuss how much detail about all the subjects of the mechanical engineering. So 5 marks contains in material science and metallurgy. So there are the 6 chapters you can see here, types of materials and material selections, and in the second chapter we can talk about the perfection and atomic arrangement. So you can go through this all chapter directly, and in the second subject is fluid mechanics, which also contains 5 marks, and there are 5 chapters you can see: flow measurement, viscous effect, equation of fluid static, fluid properties. These are very simple, which contains only 5 marks. So you should read briefly about these all 5 chapters. For the MCQ questions, written you have to discuss, you have to read very detailed. So thermodynamic and heat transfer is the third subject, which contains 10 marks. So there are 6 major chapters, that is basic concept of thermodynamic systems and refrigeration, air conditioning, thermodynamic cycles, IC engine, modes of heat transfer, conduction, convection, and radiation. So you need to know basic for MCQ on these two subjects, thermodynamics and heat transfers. And fourth is work of technology and meteorology. So there are six major topic of workshop technology and meteorology, and the fifth one is the advanced machining and machining technology. Here is the two major chapters, so you can go through this. And the sixth subject is hydraulics and electronic machine. Here contains five chapters, major five chapters. And the seventh one is instrumentation and control. So you can go through these five chapters of instrumentation and control, which contains 5 marks. And the eighth one is automobile engineering, that is of 7 marks, and there is 8 chapters. And with this we'll end the first paper, and you can go through the syllabus, and we'll discuss each subject in detail in the next video, and in the next video we'll discuss about the paper 2. Thank you for watching. Thanks.